Hi there, welcome to Mr. Gadget channel. In today's video I will show you how to remotely connect to Linux servers. We can do it using SSH commands. They are same for macOS and Windows 10.11. Only difference is that in macOS you will use terminal and in Windows command line. For some Linux distributions, mainly some minimalist, you need to install SSH server before you can connect. You can use my video from description or now in upper right corner. On how to install SSH server, you can use it for Debian and Ubuntu distributions. Start by opening your terminal. Copy first command from description. Change username with your username on target server and IP of target server. Type yes and password. Now you are connected on your target server. Second way how to connect is using SSH keys. For that you don't need password of user. It will connect you automatically based on certificate. For that you need to create SSH certificates. You can check my video in description or right now in upper right corner. To be able to log in using SSH keys, you need to import public key on target server. Logging back to target server using first command and go to cd.ssh. Now open authorized keys and here you need to paste your public key. For that, open second terminal window, go to .ssh list directory and you should see your public key. Mine is mrgadget.pub. Open it and copy the whole key. Now back to the server and paste it to authorized keys. Save it. Now you will be able to connect using SSH keys. So disconnect from server, copy second command from description and replace this private key with your private key. It's located in same folder as public key. Go back to second terminal and here you can see second file called Mr. Gadget without any extension. This is my private key. Go back to first terminal and type path to this file. Usually it's located in .ssh and name of private key. Now your username on target server and IP. As you can see, I am connected without password. If this video was helpful for you, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.